Hi, boys and girls. Got my green hat on again. Today we're going to work in this packet. How about we work in this packet one more day, then we'll take a break and start the other packet that has lots of reading and phonics in it. So we did this page this week. Yesterday we did this, the Clover counters, and today we're going to do 2 pages. We're going to do 1 page of addition with the shamrocks, 1 page of subtraction with the shamrocks. Before we do that, I want to show you something, okay? So I'm going to show you the very first problem on there, okay? We have been doing, when we did addition and subtraction, the Go Math, and Mrs. Jenkins, we were doing our problems like this. 4 plus 1 equals, and I'm not going to draw shamrocks, they take too long. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 counters plus 1 more equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've been going, writing them on the left and going to the right, just like you would do with writing a sentence, left to right. That's called horizontal, okay? But there's another way to do it. We could go like this. We could write the problems like this. And if you have big brothers and sisters, this is the way most of the big kids do it, okay? We could go 4 and then a 1 underneath with a line, 4 and 1, or 1 and 4. And then the plus sign goes over here. Now guess what, boys and girls? There's no equal sign. We don't need to put the equal sign because the line is kind of, okay, the answer goes under the line. So the line is kind of like the equal sign. And then if you need to, you could draw counters. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here's the tricky part. The 5 goes directly underneath. Doesn't go over here, doesn't go over here. It goes right underneath the line. Okay, now, if we wanted to do the same thing, but do takeaway, we could go 4. Here, I should change that. I should go 5. Start with the big number. 5. Take away 1 equals, put the line. So we would have these same 5 counters, okay? But we take this one away, right? So if we take 1 away, then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And then answer goes right underneath. It doesn't go on the side. It doesn't go on the top. It goes right underneath. All right, so I wanted to show you guys that first before we do these pages, and the pages will be easy. Now, yesterday I had you guys color because that was part of the assignment to color. You don't have to color these unless you want to. They're going to be super easy. That's why I think you can handle 2 pages. 1 addition, 1 subtraction. This page is all addition. Let me put a big plus sign here, just so you guys can remember. All right, 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 more is 5. Remember, the answer goes under the line, directly under it, not way over here or over here, right under the line. You don't need to put an equal sign. The line takes the place of it. The answer goes under the line. 6 plus 2. So easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some of you guys probably don't even have to count those shamrocks because you do it in your head, especially one like this, 4 plus 1. You know, if you have 4 and you add 1 more, it's 1 more than 4 is 5. Or what I like to do is put the big number in my head. 6 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8. But feel free to count those because in kindergarten we use manipulatives. Manipulatives can be drawings, they can be counters, they can be cubes, it can be your fingers. Because we're teaching the kids strategies to use when they do addition and subtraction. We're going to get a lot more into that later. Yeah, I'm not going to do this whole page, but I will do a few more. Now we've got 3 plus 4, and the shamrocks are here for you to count. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's just do 1 more. Oh, yeah, I'm glad we're doing this because some kids get tricked on this. 5 plus 0. What if we have 5 and we don't add any more? Then how many do we have? What if you have 5 fingers and I say, okay, that's all. 5 plus 0 is 5. We're not adding any, right? The number stays the same. Now, I'm not going to do the rest of these for you. You can do them all by yourself because I think that's going to be super easy for you. Now, on takeaway, here's the tricky thing. Okay, see 5, take away 4. Here's the 5 shamrocks or clovers. You do not need to draw 4 more because we're not adding, we're taking away. Now I want you to take away the last one, okay? And it wouldn't matter that much. You could take away this one or take away this one, but it's always good to do the last one because then this is real obvious that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 together. Oops, I'm so sorry. Did you guys catch me? I was thinking that was the one that I did. Okay, we need to take 4 away. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1. You can circle it if you want to. You don't have to. 1 left. I'll just do a few of these. 6, take away 2, or 6 minus 2. So we're going to take 2 of these shamrocks away. You could take the first 2 away or the last 2. I really like to do the last 2 because when we started counting, we start on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the last 2 we added. So now those are the 2 that we're going to take away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's kind of hard to see. Those shamrocks are very light. The answer is 4. And don't forget, it goes right directly underneath the line. Okay, let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 shamrocks. We're going to take 1 away. Pretend that they're growing in the grass, right? You get those clovers and there's 4 there. You're going to pick 1 and keep it for yourself for good luck. And how many are left? 3. You could use your fingers for these, right? Pretend that these are shamrocks. I've got 4 shamrocks blowing in the wind. I'm going to take 1. So I'm going to take that finger down. How many are left? 3. Okay, and I'll do one more with you. 2, take away 2. There were 2 shamrocks growing. I picked them both. I took away both of them. And that leaves me with 0. 2, take away 2 is 0. I'm not going to finish that because I want you guys to do it all by yourself. So 2 pages, 1 addition, and 1 takeaway. Okay, good, easy activity for Friday. Bye-bye.